Hello students, today we will take up figures of speech. In English, figures of speech are used to highlight the meaning of a verse or a sentence. In Hindi, it is called अलंकार. अलंकार का प्रयोग मुख्य रूप से काव्य में होता है. In poetic compositions, a figure of speech is a departure of a thing from an ordinary form of expression. मीन्स अलंकार का प्रयोग सामान्य जो हम प्रकट करते हैं भाव उससे हटकर होता है. अलंकार काव्य को सुंदर बनाता है. सिमिलरली द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच makes a verse valuable. सामान्य रूप में अलंकार शब्दों का एक ऐसा असाधारण प्रयोग है जो सुंदरता प्रदान करता है एक काव्य की पंक्ति को. The classification of figure of speech is based on four main points. These four main points are: number one, classification based on resemblance, समानता पर आधारित. number two, classification based on contrast. number three, classification based on association. and number four, classification based on construction. When we take up the first, classification of figure of speech based on resemblance, we have four different kinds of figure of speech. It is simile. In Hindi we call simile upma alankar. Number two is metaphor. In Hindi we call metaphor रूपक अलंकार. Third subclass of this group is apostrophe, and number four is personification. Personification is मानवीकरण अलंकार.